So how do you make money on YouTube without making videos? I'm talking $100 to $500 per day without having to make any of your own content. And if you guys don't know, I run 9 different YouTube channels, 8 of which I don't make any content for, including the channel that got me this play button with over 1 million subscribers. And I make around $30,000 a month from YouTube, so how can you do what I do without having to create any videos? Well, in this video today, I'm gonna go over 6 different steps that you can use to earn income on YouTube without having to make any videos. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Matt Parr, and I teach people how to make money online. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now here's a question for you guys. Have you ever seen a YouTube video in which the person in it didn't even show their face? More likely than not, the answer to that question is probably yes, but I bet you didn't know that these types of videos can actually make a ton of money. Most of these channels aren't even original in the sense that they're just using other people's videos, but they're transforming it. So basically what these channels do is they go out there and they download videos from YouTube, re-upload them on their own channel, and then make money from those videos by putting ads on them. Now, is this legal? And the answer is yes, if it falls under something called fair use. Now you might be saying, Matt, I need an example of this. I don't believe you. I have an example channel that I'm going to be sharing with you that makes countdown videos and has over 815 million views on it. Now that's $1.6 million just from ads alone at a $2 CPM, which by the way is very conservative. Now you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but how much does this channel make per month? Well, according to Social Blade, they make between $1,000 and $30,000 per month by literally just grabbing videos, putting them together, narrating on top of them, and not actually having to create any of the content themselves. And that is what's so incredible about this method of going out there and making money on YouTube without having to make any videos. I'm gonna be going over 6 different steps on exactly how to do this, but first, here's a basic overview of how this works. The basic idea is that you go to YouTube, you download videos, you re-upload them on your channel, and then you monetize those videos and make money from them. And that way you're making money from YouTube, but you never have to make any videos. So step 1 is to create your channel. Chances are that you already have a YouTube account if you're watching this, so making a channel is super simple. And you can make as many channels as you want. You don't need 100 different Gmails and 100 different passwords. You literally only need 1 Gmail account, and you can make as many channels as you want under that Gmail. The way to do this is to go to settings and then add channel, and you can add as many channels as you want. And at this point, you're probably saying, Matt, how do I know which videos I should be making? Well, that brings me into step 2, which is choosing a niche. The top niches I recommend are top 10 channels, tech channels, the psychology niche, meditation channels, scary videos, and luxury and financial channels. Now these are all niches that perform very well that you can find examples of huge channels in. So once you choose a niche and you make your channel, make sure to put a logo and channel art on your channel to make sure it looks professional and to make sure it looks like a real brand. This makes sure that your channel looks as official as possible. Step 3 is getting monetized. So right about now, you're probably asking, Matt, how do I actually go out and start making money doing this? Well, you can get monetized directly on YouTube and put ads on your videos by joining something called the YouTube Partner Program. And YouTube will put ads on your videos and you'll get a certain percentage of that ad revenue. And the 2 things you need to get monetized are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. And you might be saying, this is gonna take so long to get, but with the method that I'm showing you, you can actually meet these requirements a lot faster than you probably think. For example, I aim to get monetized on every new channel that I start within 1 to 2 months of starting that channel. So this can actually happen very quickly. Step 4 is getting content. You're probably asking, where can I actually get content to use in my videos? I'm gonna go over 2 different places that you can get content to use in your videos. Number 1 is directly on YouTube itself. So to do this, simply go to YouTube and search in your niche. So for example, if you wanted to make top 10 videos, search in top 10 and then sort by the most viewed videos in the past month. And this will show you new videos that are actually getting views. And then you can go and use their videos, but make sure that you make it transformative and you make it fair use. The number 2 place you can get content to use in your videos is free stock footage websites. So there's huge YouTube channels out there like Brainy Dose, which literally just makes psychology videos with a voiceover on top of free stock footage. So now you're probably saying, where can I get free stock footage? The number one website that I recommend is a website called pixabay.com, where you can get completely free videos and pictures to use within your YouTube videos. And if you actually want to make more money on YouTube and you don't want to wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time, and you don't want to wait to get monetized, you can actually make a lot more money on YouTube by putting affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos, depending on the niche and the videos that you're producing. You can put affiliate links to products that are related to the video. So where can you find these affiliate products? Well, I recommend clickbank.com, digistore24.com, and the Amazon affiliate program. And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how you can edit both your videos and your thumbnails, so keep watching to discover how to do that for completely free without costing you 1 cent. Step 5 is optimizing your videos. So in order to get views and in turn start making money doing this, you need to make sure that your videos are optimized. And you're probably asking, how do I optimize my videos? And the way you do this is having an optimized title, description, tags, thumbnail, and subtitles on your videos. And the way to do this without having to do a ton of work is by using a completely free extension called vidIQ, and I'll leave a link down below where you can get it. For a title, you want to make sure that it's something that people would actually search for. So when you're coming up with titles, it's a good idea to ask yourself, would I actually search for this title on YouTube? For the description, you want to make sure to use a lot of sentences with the tags and keywords that will be searched for on YouTube. And this will make sure that your video appears in search results and in the suggested video feeds of related videos. It's really simple, but if you don't want to do all this work, just get the extension vidIQ at the link down below in the description. Step 6 is putting ads on your videos. So once you've done everything correctly, you should be monetized. And the best way to make the most amount of money from YouTube is producing videos that are over 10 minutes long. This way you can actually add mid-roll ads on your videos and put multiple ads throughout your videos. And the best way to do this is to put an ad at the beginning of the video, the end of the video, and then every 2 minutes throughout the video. This way you'll make the most amount of money from your video. For example, if you have a 10-minute video, you put an ad at 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, and then one at both the beginning and end of the video. That way you'll have 6 different ads instead of just one, so you'll make up to 6 times the amount of money. If you made it to the end of the video, congratulations. I actually wanted to give you my top 6 secrets when it comes to doing this correctly. And before we get into them, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Secret number 1 is editing your videos. And you want to edit your videos and make sure that they're fair use so you don't get banned or copyright striked. And if you don't want to narrate on top of your own videos, just go to Fiverr, pay someone $5 to do it for you. Very simple. And if you're doing it yourself, I recommend just using your smartphone, just using the audio recorder on your smartphone, and then just going, hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 best tech gadgets, you know. It's very simple. Now, when it comes to actually editing your videos, editing software tends to cost a lot of money. So if you want some free software, here it is. You can use an editor called OpenShot, which is completely free for both Mac and PC. And I'll leave a link down below where you can get that. OpenShot works great for this. And if you don't know how to use it, don't worry. There's a ton of completely free YouTube videos and tutorials that'll teach you exactly how to use OpenShot. That way you can edit your videos for completely free without it costing you a ton of money. And you're probably asking, how often should I post videos? And that brings me into secret number 2, which is how often you should post. Now, I recommend uploading at least 1 video a day per channel. The more you post, the better, but usually the most doable schedule is about 1 video a day. And remember that these videos should only take around an hour or so to make, so this should be completely doable. And remember that there are channels out there making over $100,000 a month. So it's definitely worth it to put in the work and make 1 video a day. Secret number 3 is making thumbnails. And you want to make sure that you have amazing thumbnails in order to make the most amount of money with this. And you might be saying, how can I make thumbnails? I don't have Photoshop. And you don't actually need Photoshop to do this. You can use a completely free software called Paint.net if you're on Windows, or you can use an online-based software called Canva, which is available for both Mac and PC. And something you'll probably notice on thumbnails is some of the top viewed videos have either a red arrow or a circle in them, so make sure to include something like that in your thumbnails in order to get the most amount of views and make the most amount of money from this. Secret number 4 is looking at your analytics. So in order to make the most amount of money from this, you want to make sure that you're going in and looking at the analytics of all of the videos that you upload after uploading them. And the number one thing that you want to look at brings me into secret number 5, which is increasing both your audience retention and watch time. So for a 10-minute video, you should aim to get around a 60% average view duration, which means that on average, for every single person that watches your video, they watch an average of 60% of that video. And the number one thing to help increase audience retention is having a lot of fast cuts throughout your video. And the next thing that you want to look at that's super important is secret number 6, which is click-through rate. Now, click-through rate is the percentage of people that click to watch your video after seeing your video in either search results or browse features or in the suggested video feed. And you want to aim to get at least a 6% click-through rate. If you can get a 60% average view duration on a 10-minute video and a 6% click-through rate, you're incredibly likely to go viral. This is how you go viral on YouTube. So I want to know what you guys think. Are you going to do this? Comment down below if you're going to do this, but be careful. Don't give out your channels because people will copy your channels. Check